What if I told you you can grow a brand new channel on YouTube from 0 subscribers to thousands without uploading long videos, without expensive equipment, just using YouTube Shorts? But here's the truth, most creators are doing shorts completely wrong, and that is why their videos get stuck at 0 up to 100 views. In this video, I will show you the exact YouTube Short strategy for 2026, and make sure you watch until the end, because I will reveal a simple formula that can make your shorts go viral even if you are just starting. Welcome to Chris Tech Lab, where we help you grow on YouTube, master tech, and discover powerful creator strategies. If you want to grow faster, subscribe now. Let us break down how small channels are exploding using shorts in 2026. Why YouTube Shorts are the fastest growth tool. If you are not using shorts in 2026, you are missing the easiest growth opportunity. YouTube Shorts now generate massive daily views globally, making them one of the fastest ways to grow a channel. Unlike long videos, Shorts are pushed to new audience instantly. You don't need subscribers to get views, and one video can reach millions overnight. Why Shorts favor small channels? The Short algorithm doesn't care about subscribers count, channel size, it only cares about viewer behavior, retention, and engagement. Here is the reality. A creator with 0 subscribers can outperform a big channel if their short is more engaging. How the short algorithm works in 2026. If you don't understand this, your short will never grow. The short algorithm works differently from normal videos. Instead of thumbnails, your videos start playing instantly. Here is the key ranking signals. First is watch through rate. Watch through rate measures how many people watch your short until the end. Videos with 17% plus completion rate get pushed more. Second is swipe away rate. If people scroll away in the first seconds, your videos dies. First 2 seconds are critical. Third is replays or looping. If people watch again, algorithm boosts your video. And number 4 is engagement speed. We are talking about likes, comments, shares. That is what matters in the first hours. So let us see how distribution works. First, there is a test for small audience. If the performance is good, equal to big audience. If it is excellent, equal to viral push. Now let us see the perfect short structure. This one structure alone can change your result instantly. Here is the viral short formula. Viral short formula must have a hook. Your first 3 seconds must grab attention instantly. Example, don't say, hey guys, but use, these mistakes is killing your YouTube channel. Second is fast value. From your 3 up to 15 seconds, deliver something interesting quickly. Number 3 is pattern interrupt. You must change visual every few seconds, like zooming, add text, or cutting. Number 4 is ending loop. You must end in a way that makes people watch. Example, wait, did you notice this? Here is the pro insight. Shorts that loop naturally get more views. So, let us see the best ref for shorts in 2026. Short ref can decide if your video goes viral or dies. Best performing shorts are the one with 15 up to 30 seconds, which have highest compression. The short from 30 up to 60 seconds have a burst growth. Shorter videos is easier to complete. So understand that 15-second videos with higher retention often outperform longer ones. Let us see content ideas that go viral. Not all content performs equally. Some topics explode faster. Here is the high-performing short types. High-performing short types are one with quick tips, before and after, shocking fact, mistake to avoid, and storytelling. Example, instead of saying YouTube tips, say 3 mistakes killing your YouTube growth. Add emotional triggers. Viral short use curiosity, fear, surprise, and value. Now let us see short posting strategy. Posting randomly will slow your growth, even with good content. Here is the best strategy. Post 3 up to 5 shorts per week. Why consistency matters? Every upload teaches the algorithm who your audience is, what works. Here is the growth pattern. Most channels are starting slow, then one video pops and growth accelerates. Now let us see how to go viral with 0 subscribers. This is what every new creators want to know. To go viral with 0 subscribers, you must focus on strong hook. Second, focus on high retention and repeatable format. Here is the secret. You don't need subscribers, but you need performance. Here is the mistakes killing your short. Avoid these mistakes or your video will stay at 0 views. The mistakes to avoid: to start slow, using boring content, creating videos with no hook, using long pauses, and creating videos with no structure. Reality: most shorts fail in the first 3 seconds. Now let us see how you can turn shorts into subscribers. Viewers are good, but subscribers build your channel. Here is the strategy to turn your views into subscribers. First, add call to action. Second, create series. And third, connect videos. Example, follow the part 2. Short viewers often convert into subscribers and long form content viewers. Now let us see the ultimate short growth formula. If you follow this formula, your channel can grow fast. Number 1, use hook faster. Second, keep it short. Third, deliver value. Fourth, make it loop. And fifth, post consistently. Repeat this process and you will see the result. Now you understand how to grow on YouTube using short in 2026. Now tell me in the comment, are your shorts getting views or stuck at 0? If this video helped you, like, subscribe, share with other creators. If you want to learn YouTube SEO for long videos, check out the previous videos on Chris Tech Lab.